Welcome back. Certain life members of the Pillain Sports Club have alleged that the ongoing Panchayat Cup tournament at Pillain is illegal. They allege that the tournament is being organized without the consent of its life members.
Certain life members of the Pillain Sports Club have claimed that the ongoing Panchayat Cup tournament at Pillain is illegal. They allege that the tournament is being organized without the consent of its life members. Prakash Bandurkar is a life member of the club. He says the club has not had elections for the last 6 years to elect a committee. As per the bylaws, there should be elections after every 2 years.
आज अशें घडलां की 10 वर्सांनी हेंच्यांनी टुर्नामेंट कॉमेस केला आनी तो टुर्नामेंट कॉमेस केला तो इनलिगली. आयज 2004 लास्ट जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जाल्ली आनी इलेक्शन जाल्लें. तेजे उपरांत 6 वर्सां जालीं आयज पासून जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जावंक ना म्हणून इलेक्शन जावंक ना. आनी हो श्रीकांत मलीक आजून पासून आपूण क्लबाचो प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून थंय मिटींग घेता आनी ती बीन कोण घेता तो घेता आनी ताजो भाव पंचायतीन डेप्युटी सरपंच आतां रमाकांत मलीक आनी हे थारायता टुर्नामेंट करपाचो. हे खंयच्या आदारार आनी एसएचे GFA हांकां कशें परमिशन दिता.
He urged the sports minister to stop the ongoing tournament within 48 hours.
हांव स्पोर्ट मिनिस्टरा कडेन डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्पोर्टा कडेन मागणी करता की हे 2 दिसां भितर हो इनलिगली पिलेन पंचायत कप टुर्नामेंट चलता पळय तो इनलिगली जावन आसा. ताका कमिटीच ना, प्रेसिडेंट ना, सेक्रेटरी ना, ट्रेजरर ना. तो ताबडतोब बंद करपाचो.
A reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ganesh Otkar.
A frog's place is in the pond, not in the plate. Yes, today is Save the Frog Day, and that's the message that has been given out to everybody on this day. There is an urgent need to save frogs as number of these creatures are on the decline.
Frogs are one of the exotic creatures to ever exist on this planet. These amphibians are delicate species. In recent times, their survival has been threatened, with the men being their biggest threat. Frogs are poached for their meat and are illegally sold in restaurants despite a national governmental ban. In Goa, a non-profit organization called Wild Goa has taken the initiative to save this species with their Save the Frog campaign. One of their volunteers, Luis Diaz, says that the campaign aims to spread the message throughout the year.
I think basically this whole campaign and the activity is in response to the proven fact that the frog population is dwindling at a very alarming rate, and this is true not only of Goa but of the rest of India and the rest of the world actually. Just to give you some statistics, apparently in the past you would have an amphibian species going extinct at the rate of 1 every 250 years. And suddenly 100 species have gone extinct since 1980 alone. So that's basically a drastic increase in the extinction rate, which actually is an indicator of something going wrong with our environment. And frogs, being amphibians and having sensitive skin, they are able to act as very sensitive bioindicators both on land and in water. So if they are beginning to dwindle in number and drop at an alarming rate, it is an indirect indicator that there is something wrong with the toxic composition in the air and in the water, and something needs to be done about it.
Frog species are disappearing at an increasingly rapid rate, faster than they have ever done in the past 65 million years. Environmental factors have also led to the decline. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Shiv Sena has extended their support to people of Mapsa who are facing acute water shortage. They have distributed free water to people. They have also urged people to remember Shiv Sena in any problem.
In this hot summer, people are facing acute water shortage. Shiv Sena has forwarded their support by distributing free water. A big queue was seen to collect the free water. People are happy with this move. But for how many days Shiv Sena will distribute water? They have asked concerned authorities for smooth water supply.
350 रुपये एक टँकर आसात. सद्दी सगळ्यांक जावंक जाय न्ही ते घालपाक सुद्दां. एक दीस आड करून आमी सद्दीच 350 रुपयाचो टँकर घालतात. त्या भायर नळाची बिलां सेपरेट. आयज आमकां शिवसेनेवाल्यान टँकर दिल्लेलो आसा. पूण ते म्हूण आमकां सदीत कशे दितले टँकर? तेका लागून आमकां तुमी उदकाक सोडपाचें सारकें रेगुलरी इतके तरी करूंक जाय न्ही.
However, Shiv Sena section head of MAPSA, Philip D'Souza, has urged people to remember Shiv Sena in any situation.
तेन्ना त्यांनी आमकां हाक मारपाचो आमी आमचे उदीक पावयतले तांकां जाय पळय तेन्ना आमचे कडेन सुबेज पाणी पावला जाल्यार आमच्या घरांतले हाडून पाणी हेंकां हाडून दितले पूण हेंकां आमी त्रासान दवरचे ना कित्याक ती आमची गोंयची भाव भयणां आनी तेंचो हक्क आसा आनी सरकार उपकार करचो ना तांकां पाणी सोडला जाल्यार हो तेंचो हक्क बेसीक ह्युमन रायट ऑफ एवरी ह्युमन बींग इज टू रिसीव वॉटर क्लीन एंड पोर्टेबल वॉटर आनी हो हक्क आमी तांकां दिवन रावतले इफ एनीबडी एनीवेअर नीड्स एनी हेल्प they should always remember that the hand of Shiv Sena will always be there.
A reporter from MAPSA, Shamsundar Fatte.
One of the legendary musical performances on Marathi stage, Shukratara Mandawara, was performed in the Kala Academy on Friday. Veteran singer Arun Date and famous poet Mangesh Padgaonkar participated in this musical fiesta. It was organized by Goa Tourism Department and Goa Sanskritik Vibhag in coordination with the Samrat Club International.
शुक्र तुरे माळून आल्या निळ्या निळ्या लाटा राम फुले लेऊन सजना या हिरव्या वाटा या सुंदर यात्रेसाठी मला जाऊ दे तुझे गीत गाण्यासाठी
Reporter Jason Suarez, video journalist Omkar Falali.
Time now for a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.